Would you believe that these beads started out as paper? Let's check it out. Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and today I am cutting some magazine paper to make paper beads. I've placed some magazine pages in my Glowforge Aura, and I'm just cutting some very narrow paper. They are 0.75 inches wide. The initial plan for this was to make a cute pair of pink paper beads. I'm not at home and I didn't have a bead roller, but I just folded a piece of wire and used it as a bead roller. I don't know why this brush just fell in the middle of my video. I try to get my wire ends to stay as close as possible so that I could roll my bead. I did struggle a little bit getting started with my bead, but once I got going, it was okay. Now that I have my beads made, I need to seal them with some Mod Podge. While I was sealing the beads with the Mod Podge, I saw my foil flakes. I said, ooh, let me try putting this foil flakes on my beads and see what happens. I immediately loved the effect. I said, oh, this is what we're going to do. Oh, we're going to glam up these beads. You know how I love my gold and sparkly stuff. And the Mod Podge was just tacky enough to adhere really nicely. I'm going to use nail polish to seal the beads. Now I'm going to use my 20 gauge wire to turn these beads into some rectangle hoops. I cut about 4.5 inches of my wire, and then I move down 2 inches on my wire and I bend the wire into a right angle. I slide my bead onto the short end, and then I make another right angle with the rest of the wire. On the short end, I'm going to make a loop. And I'll leave the loop open. I won't close it. No, I take my pliers and I bend my long wire over to meet the loop, and then I turn the wire up. Off camera, I use a file to file down the ends of the wire. And here they are, a cute little pair of golden bead rectangle hoops. I love these, and I made these in the spirit of using what you have. I used paper from a magazine. I used the wire that I already had. I used the gold flakes that I already had. So this was pretty easy. This is an easy project. I hope you will do something like this. All right, good people. You know the drill. Please like, share, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, give me a hype, all the things. Subscribe if you haven't. If you're new here, I'm Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We're also the creators of the Hobby to Hustle course on the school platform. So check us out. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.